Greetings everyone, this is kr4T0X Trading and I am kr4T0X. In the previous video, we saw how you can place your first long trade after identifying a sideways market, sideways range and book your profits there. Now, in this video, we will see how you will place your short trade, your first short trade. Why I am saying first? If you have watched my previous video, you know that. So, when we place our buy order here, when we place our long trade here and put our final target here, we will place a same we will place a short order at the same price level which is the target of our long trade. The final target of our long trade will be our entry price for short trade. Okay, I believe you are making notes because as I already told you, these videos are unscripted, so my teaching method might sound unprofessional, but this is the most professional method you will find on the internet. And this is not just something you will get for free, because this has been tested for by myself with my own capital. So yeah, I know that these things works. So let us identify the important levels for booking our partial profits in a short trade. So we see that these levels which we identified earlier are there, but the market has also formed some new levels too. So we will place our first important level here. Let's just change the color to yellow and make the line thinner. So this, you must, while marking these levels, remember that the market should hit these levels every time whenever it bounces back in the opposite direction from them. So this is our first level. Our second level will be somewhere around here. Yeah, place our second level here. We see the market is hitting these levels every time whenever it is bouncing back again from, sorry, please ignore the background noises. So yeah, the market is hitting these levels every time whenever it is showing or it is bouncing back from these levels. So this is our second level. Now our final level will be see these lowest extremities. Somewhere we will place it such that these extremities are being hit every time. So yeah, here, see, in this move this line has hit, in this move this line has been hit, in this move this line has been hit, and in these moves this line has been hit. Although these moves are not the one we check, but these are the moves which we check to identify the zones. And the profit booking will be as per the explanation in the previous video of the long trades. So we will book our 50% at this level, and we will book our 25% at these levels, and obviously you have choice in these two levels. See, these 50% and this 25% is necessary, mandatory, to minimize the risk if the stop loss gets hit in the case of trend change or trend continuation. So, but because our um, let's just see the market first, whether levels gets hit or not. Wow, that's quite fast. Yeah, so we have booked our partial and the full profits. And as I've told you in the previous video, the first long and the first short trade after a liquidity hunt in a sideways market completes their final profit, hits their final profit. So you can ignore these levels, just delete them and just wait for the final targets after placing a sell order here, and your order gets hit within less than a day. Wow, within 20 hours. That's quite fast. So this is how you place your first long and first short trade in a sideways market just after the beginning of the sideways market. I hope I hope you are noting these things down, because these things are really really very um, uh, let's just say these are diamond notes I'm giving you. These are the diamond points I'm giving you about the market. You won't find such knowledge without some huge amount of price, but I believe in free knowledge, so yeah, everything is free in kr4T0X trading. And I believe that you don't assume that free things are not good. See, I believe in perfections, and I've been trading from past 2 years. And why just I started giving you the lectures so late? Because I believe in perfections. Once I get perfect, then only I will tell my audience how you can follow along my path. So thank you for watching the video, and now in the next videos I will tell you how you will place your next long and short trades. Do watch these videos, because after the first long and the short trades, market behaves in sudden uncertain ways, which I'll be telling you, uh, in which I will tell you how to book your profits there. Thank you.